Okay.
Well, this time I'm talking from the Omni manufacturing plant in Yunnan, China. And I would like to introduce you Mr. Allen. Come here, Allen.
Yeah.
I met this guy 2 years ago. He's the head of the selling machines in the United States and overseas. And I have to tell you that this guy I recommend him because he not only gives you service while selling you the machine, but he's also giving you the service after selling the machine. He's very worried about the satisfaction of the customers, and he won't let you fail if you buy an Omni machine. He's always worried about satisfying your necessities during the sale and after the sale. So if you got any problem, any technical problem, you contact him and he will solve it. This is a great person running the company, and you can trust him. You can trust him to do your business. So I recommend it widely.
Thanks very much for your word. I will keep on doing do better service for customers.
Okay, do your job. That is.
My pleasure. Yeah.
Thanks.